Hi, John Morgan here with Bub's Market and Greenhouses. For the past 2 years, we've canceled our annual spring color tour for obvious reasons. This year, we're glad to announce its return. Join us on Saturday, April 16th at 4 p.m. for a presentation on spring gardening, a guided tour of our massive greenhouse facility here in Mason, West Virginia, and door prizes. Due to continued safety measures, we're capping attendance for this year, so please register if you plan on attending. You can register on our website at bobsmarket.com. Remember to wear comfortable shoes and bring a camera. See you then. Did I remember to mention there'll be door prizes? Come on out and join us.